Hi there, Shalini here from Tech Gatha, and this video covers assignment on break and continue. If in case you haven't watched the video on break and continue, the link for the same is provided in the description. Go ahead, watch the theory part and then come back to this assignment. The solution here is for x equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It goes inside the for block, prints the value of x and the cube of x, then checks for the value of x. So for 1 it prints 2, 3, 4, 5 as well it prints. Then because now x is 5, which is equal to 5, the condition is true. The for loop breaks at 5. Here, this loop runs 3 times. X is 15, S is 10. 15 less than equal to 10, no. It prints the value of x, that is 15, prints the value of s, that is 10. It is a post increment, hence it increments afterwards. First prints the value of s. Then the value of s is incremented from 10 to 11. X is decremented 14. 14 less than equal to 11, no. It prints the value of x 14, s as 11, then increments the value of s to 12, x to 13. 13 less than equal to 12, no. It prints x 13, s 12, and then increments the value of s to 13 and x is decremented to 12. Now 12 less than equal to 13, true, the loop breaks. I have written down the equivalent characters for the ASCII values from 65 to 75. What this program does is, for every value of x, it checks. If it is divisible by 3 or divisible by 5, it continues. So 65 divisible by 5, it continues. 66 divisible by 3, it continues. 67, 68 are the numbers neither divisible by 3 or 5. It prints the equivalent characters at ASCII values 67 and 68 because I have used explicit typecasting for casting the integer value and displaying the equivalent character at that integer value. Again 69 divisible by 3, 70 divisible by 5, 71 it prints, 72 divisible by 3, 73 it prints, 74 as well it prints, and 75 divisible by 5 it doesn't print, and then the loop stops. Here for I equals to 2, if I is 3, no. If I is 5, no. What it does? String s, s plus I. So it concatenates 2 with the string, there is 2. Then again I is 3. If I is 3, yes, continue. It increments the value of I from 3 to 4. Now I is 4. It checks 3, no, 5, no. It comes here. It concatenates the previous 2 with the 4, that is value of I, 2, 4. Now the value of I is 5. This is false, but this is true. The loop breaks. The output is 24. For this particular assignment, please get a notebook and a pen or open BlueJ, write your solution and then check with mine. So then for the solution, I ask the user to enter a number. So the loop runs 10 times. I take a number, I check if a number is less than 10 or if it is greater than 99. If so, say thanks and break the loop. Otherwise, we check the remainder. So if you say 15 mod 10, is it equal to 6? No, because 15 mod 10 is 5. It doesn't goes in the if, it prints the value of I, square and cube of the value. Same way, it takes the number, the next number, checks for the if condition. Now if the number entered is 3, which is less than 10, it says thanks and breaks the loop. With this, we come an end to this particular video. Happy learning, take care and bye-bye.